How to send Excel through WhatsApp. So open the WhatsApp, then click on this attach and select document. Now you need to find out your Excel file. Firstly, save it. So click on this attach icon document and select the Excel file and send it. Thanks for watching.